Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify GA4 e-commerce events in Shopify step by step clearly. Open your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the online store section from the left side menu. Click on Preferences to access your store settings. Scroll down to the section labeled Google Analytics. Make sure you have your GA4 measurement ID handy. If you haven't set up GA4 yet, follow the Google Analytics setup guide. In your Shopify admin, locate the Google Analytics field. Paste your GA4 measurement ID into the designated field. Click on Save to apply your changes. Next, open a new browser tab and navigate to your Google Analytics account. Select your GA4 property from the list. In the GA4 interface, go to the Configure section. Click on Events to see the list of tracked events. Check for e-commerce events like purchase, begin_checkout, and add_to_cart. If the events aren't listed, you may need to set them up via Google Tag Manager. Access your Google Tag Manager account in a new tab. Create a new tag by clicking on the Tags section. Choose GA4 event from the tag types. Enter the event name corresponding to your e-commerce actions. Fill in the additional parameters necessary for tracking. Select your GA4 configuration tag to link it. Configure a trigger for the tag to fire on relevant actions. Save your new tag and publish your changes in Google Tag Manager. Return to your Google Analytics account. Use the real-time report to test event tracking. Perform an e-commerce action on your Shopify store, such as adding an item to the cart. Monitor the real-time report to see if your action is registered. If you see your test event appear, your setup is working properly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.